What are we celebrating, Anne?
100k subscribers.
Look at this place, it's amazing. Yeah, it's going to take off in a minute.
Dad, I'll give you a tennis jump in there.
So we've just got to the Sunborn Yacht Hotel. We're here for celebrations. What are we celebrating, Anne?
100k subscribers.
So Emily's got a cake, I've got some balloons. We've come up first to decorate the room. Yeah, shall we go then, Anne?
Look at Mum coming. Where's Wally? Where's Wally gone?
Right.
Ooh, wow! Oh my gosh, Mum! Look at this! Look at this!
We've got some chocolates.
Chocolate. Ooh.
We're going to go for 5 minutes so we can set the room up and we'll be back.
Ooh, see you then. The room is finished.
Yay! Well done, Hams. She literally was like Speedy Gonzales in this room. Can't wait for them to come.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Too heavy for you?
No, baby.
No, baby. So Roman knows we're staying in a boat, but he hasn't seen it yet. He's going to be so excited when we turn this corner.
I don't know what it is, but I do know where the thing is to go down in there. I do. Seen it on Peppa Pig. It's like a garage thing where you walk down and go in there.
You've seen it on Peppa Pig, it's definitely down there.
But there's no houses down there. There's only like a picnic or a kitchen.
I have no clue what he's talking about. Someone said to me from YouTube the other day in the comment section that you are Peppa Pig's boyfriend. And you give Peppa them smoochy kisses.
And you do.
No, I don't. I give Mummy Pig a little smoochy.
Yes, both say we both smudgy to Mummy and Emily because she stinks.
Here we go. We're about to come to the boat now.
Where's Mummy and Emily? In there?
Where do you think? Have a look around.
I'm going to see where the lake is.
He is just completely missed out the fact that the boat's there and he wants to go over to the lake.
Dad, I'll give you a tennis jump in there.
You'll give me a tenner to jump in. Oh, Dad, I'll give you a tenner to jump in there. Oh, you got the bants, boy. You've got the bants. He hasn't got a clue. The boat is there. Roman, I wonder where the boat is. Where we're staying.
It's there. The biggest boat ever. Look.
That's where we're staying. Let's go.
I love this, mate. Look at that river.
Watch this. Dance up the lift. Ready? Dance. That's our room number, 3025. Hold that. Let's go check out the room. Push, you got it.
100k!
Hey, guys! Yeah, oh my gosh, look at this! 100k subscribers! You guys are the best!
Thank you!
Oh, we got the champers. Oh, darling, give me a big hug. Oh, this is amazing. Look at this, guys. 100k subscribers, YouTube. Thank you, guys. We are celebrating in style today. Thank you so much. These celebrations are all because of you guys.
Champers, darling.
I don't mind if I do. Oh, yes. This is amazing, guys. Amazing.
Oh, congratulations.
So you're probably thinking, and we didn't even think about this, you guys are probably thinking, where's Dusty with all these celebrations? We actually left her with my sister-in-law, Kate's sister Lou, because we just felt like we wanted to go out inside London and have a free day with the kids.
She's just at that age where she doesn't want to sit still, so she's crawling everywhere. She's only
we
just
can't
really
keep
taken
on
her first
pushing the
steps.
buggy and we couldn't go on like all of this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we was also thinking about leaving Roman as well because he's like Dusty as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
And by the way, we've got a super cake maker. She's unbelievable.
Turned it around in a day.
Yeah, she's actually incredible, isn't she, Anne? I mean, look at this. Absolutely incredible. Big up Cakes by Leanne X. If you're in Hertfordshire and you want your cake made, she won't let you down. So, guys, do you know where we're going now? Look at this, we're about to go on this. You can cable cart from one side of the Thames to the other. We're by the Excel Centre now, but we're going to travel over to where the O2 Arena is.
We are so lucky.
What's that pigeon done to you? How would you like it if I chased you and went... How would you like it if I chased you and went... See? Would you like to be treated like a pigeon? You've climbed to the top of Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, my darling.
This is going to be higher.
Don't worry about that.
Who thinks we should keep the doors open?
I don't know.
I don't know about that.
Here we go.
Our one's on its way.
Are you ready to jump on?
Is this the first one though? No.
Yeah, it's going to take off in a minute.
I wish there were seatbelts in here. Yeah, so do I.
Ready? Oh.
Now, here we go. We're up. We're up, guys. Let me have the camera, darling. Let me flip it round to you. Guys, listen, how peaceful is it up here? Alan's like, don't you hold it on. Hold it on.
Oh no, look behind you.
Oh, someone's following us.
I'm proud of my hand. Look, Amelie, you have took your hand down and it's not, I know what you're saying.
She's so brave. She's brave.
Yeah, she's learning to overcome her fears. Yeah. Give me a spud. And we've got to come back this way later.
I wouldn't jump down there.
In the thunderstorms. Thunderstorms.
Do not start that.
How was the experience? Let's talk about it. Mum's almost fell over.
Loved it.
This bit looks fun.
This bit looks fun. What, the bit where we're coming on?
Just got to the O2. I haven't really done a concert at the O2 called Young Voices. It's bringing back all their memories.
So I've got a new pair of shades.
What do you think, Ams?
They're really cool.
Don't lie. In the shop,
She said,
went,
is she?
Is she?
Is she?
I didn't even ask her, does she like them? And she went, is she? So we're in the O2. Basically, we've realised that all the restaurants are closed. So now we're heading to Rocker, which is another one of our favourite restaurants, over in Canary Wharf, which is about 10 minutes away. Let's go.
Roman wants Daddy's glasses.
They fix me really, don't they?
They do fix you.
Oh,
No,
look
but
at the
try.
food.
Can see in that sun.
Isn't it look ishy on you? A little bit ishy. Give me a back issue.
Just in Rocker, Billy's teaching the kids how to use the chopsticks. It's so difficult though. It took me ages and I still can't do it properly.
Like that.
Ooh! No, that's not good techers, Am. Look at your hands.
Mummy.
She's picked it up from the zone.
Here for you, Dad.
Thank you.
Did it.
Thank you. Wow, black cod.
Dad, what's this?
Dreamy.
I am going for purple.
1, 2, 3 or 4.
Four.
Have to stuck a line.
You have to suck a lime, Dad. Give us the phone. Daddy's got to suck a lime. No, that wasn't. You've got to suck a lime, mate.
It's gone. We've actually finished the meal in Canary Wharf. We've gone under the Rotherhithe Tunnel to then come back so we can go on the cable cart back over the same river we've just gone underneath. Just for the kids. This is dedication. So Ams, tell us what we're just about to do.
We're going to cut the cake. Thank you for 100k subscribers.
Yes.
Yes.
Look at this.
Oh wow.
Wow, you can read all that. Blimey. Blimey.
Can I just try a bit? Oh my gosh, this
You can try a bit. Let us know. Taste test, Roman.
Any good?
Really good, really. So,
I don't really eat cake, but that's lovely.
thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah, thanks for all your support, guys. You mean the world to us.
Yeah, you're the best ever, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. But we're going to do lots of videos for you to watch so you can, like, get your energy back and, like, run and play on here with us like we do. Happy smiles and plays. That's what we do. So that's what you have to do.
It's time to eat your cake and then we're going to go to bed. Close your eyes and have sweet dreams. Okay. Morning time. Just leaving our hotel.
We're going to the O2 to go bowling.
Yeah.
Bowling before, you have a few times.
She's absolutely useless at it.
Well, you can talk.
No, I'm the worst.
Your bowling technique.
Guys, look how beautiful this morning is today. Sun is shining. Kate needs...
Yay, I'm the ninja.
Well, we know who's done that. Kate needs a bumper.
I'm not talking about your backside, I'm talking about
Well,
your bumper
debate.
side.
Thanks to me, because I love ninjas.
Thanks to me, because I love ninjas.
I know, bless him.
I'm just going first, ready, Ams?
I don't know.
Remember, you got the bumper, just
You've got the bumper, Ams.
Oh, good one, Ams. No, watch. Oh!
Ready, push it really super fast.
Oh, that's a good one, Rome.
Yeah, oh, I think you're going to get it, right?
Oh, that's really good. Billy comes bowling every Sunday morning, guys. Dusting off the boots.
Go on, mate, get in it. Mum, don't flop it.
Don't flop it, Kaz. You got this. Babe, don't. What are you starting up there for? It's not cricket. That's it. Oh my gosh, this technique. Look at this technique.
Oh,
That's good. That's good.
Nice for me.
Fast.
Oh, Roman, you could have done a great.
What a shot!
That was a really good shot, Rome.
Now the cobwebs are dusted off. Stand back, guys, because a pro's just arrived.
I have.
What a shot.
What was that? Oh, it's actually worked out all right. It's worked out all right. Way to go!
I need to use that, okay?
Yes. Oh my. Someone's glued that down. Someone's glued that down, I promise you. The spin. So that's bowling done, our first family bowling experience. Ams, did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
You've done incredibly well. Give me a spud. Babe, you gave it your best shot. Give me a spud. Roman's tired now,
Roman's
look.
so tired.
He's hungry and tired.
He's all
Bless our
bowled
little
out.
boy. Look. I mean, I won. I've got the most bowling experience, but second was Roman, then Amelie, and then Kate.
Mummy was last.
But it's not about who's winning. This is a great team effort, Wingrove. So we're just on the back of the boat, just rounding off what is a great weekend. Going back to Nan's house for a roast dinner. We're very lucky and we've had a great time. We've come and we've celebrated 100,000 subscribers. Guys, please don't forget to like the clip, subscribe, and let's get to 150,000 subscribers.
Whoa.
Can we do it?
Yeah.
Sure? Can we do it, Ams?
Yeah.
Shabuka.
See ya.